Click on the link below to get price. The Brother SE700 Embroidery and Sewing Machine presents a versatile option for both novice and experienced crafters seeking to expand their creative horizons. This machine combines traditional sewing capabilities with advanced embroidery features, making it a comprehensive tool for a range of sewing projects. At first glance, the Brother SE700 appears well equipped for a variety of sewing tasks, featuring a sleek design that is user-friendly yet sophisticated. This machine includes an extensive collection of 90 spools of thread, providing ample variety to tackle numerous projects. Accompanying these spools are essential accessories, such as presser feet, embroidery hoops, and additional tools, all thoughtfully organized to enhance the user experience. Diving into its features, the Brother SE700 boasts an impressive array of built-in designs and stitches. With over 200 built-in sewing stitches and 138 embroidery designs, users can explore creative possibilities, from simple alterations to intricate embellishments. The machine is equipped with a large LCD touchscreen that simplifies navigation through various settings and options. This intuitive interface allows for easy adjustments, ensuring that users can tailor their projects to specific requirements with minimal effort. Operating the Brother SE700 is generally straightforward. The machine is designed with adjustable speeds and an automatic needle threading feature, which can significantly reduce setup time and make the sewing process more efficient. The built-in memory function allows users to save custom designs, further personalizing their embroidery projects. It also supports USB connectivity, enabling the import of additional designs and patterns from external sources. One noteworthy aspect of the SE700 is its dual functionality, seamlessly transitioning between sewing and embroidery modes. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial for users looking to experiment with different techniques or styles without investing in multiple machines. The range of accessories included with the machine also opens up opportunities for diverse applications, from quilting to garment construction. In conclusion, the Brother SE700 Embroidery and Sewing Machine stands out as a well-rounded option for anyone interested in sewing and embroidery. Its combination of a wide variety of built-in designs, user-friendly features, and extensive accessories allows for both creative expression and practical sewing tasks. Whether you are just starting your crafting journey or looking to enhance your existing skills, this machine could serve as a valuable addition to your toolkit.